let's say, have you had a situation where you had a really challenging management that didn't want to buy into safety?
Yeah, absolutely.
And how did you get them to buy in?
I started from the basis of, where do you want to be? Do you want to be a company that sells a whole bunch or very little and just be a small package vendor? Or do you want to grow and be with the big boys? The obvious answer was grow and be with the big boys.
Right.
So we started implementing training for the management to help them understand what their liability was. I mean, this is the same company that I couldn't get them in hard hats at their corporate office where the owner and CEO sat, and the president of operations, the VP of operations. All these folks right out their back door, folks with overhead cranes, gantry cranes, mobile cranes, all kinds of stuff. No hard hats.
Wow.
Yeah. I had to go sit with the president and say, hey, you've got, at this time, several facilities, and the only one that you're at all of them, you're doing all these different operations, including all this overhead hazards, and everywhere except for where you sit down every day at your desk, everyone else has this standard set of PPE. But here, we don't.
Absolutely.
So within 2 weeks, everyone at that facility was in hard hats. But it was a struggle. It was a battle over every little thing. Why? I have to justify it with why. So once you can get on the management side where they understand where the why is coming from, and you can build it in a business case scenario and do the CBA for them as to what the non-compliance versus compliance looks like, they have a whole lot less resistance to getting on board.